welcome back to the channel. Different video today. We hadn't done one of these in a while. So we're teaming back up with AUTOONE. Got a set of LEDs for somebody's 99 SN95, which just should go for 94 to 2004. I'm gonna break these down for you. Very affordable LED headlights. I'm ready to get them in. I think everybody's ready to get these things in. So we're going to flip over, start installing these things real quick and show you what they look like. Alright guys, so super easy to get these headlights out. We do have this bra that's in the way here, but pull these out. This whole headlight assembly should just come right out. Just unplug your old bulb, which on these is sometimes a pain in the butt. There it goes. Twist your little ring off and then pull out the bulb. Now, these are pretty decent halogen bulbs, but like I said, we're going to go to LED. Which are going to be way better. I think these are 8K, if I'm not mistaken. They're going to go but right back in where you pulled the old one out. Just slide it straight in. Alright guys, so we figured it out. Like, when you go to put these in, there is a specific way, and it legit just slips right in. Put your ring back on. Everything will be locked in place. Plug it, which your plug is going to be different on these. Ain't nothing you can't adjust and fix real quick. And then
right in front of me.
Oh, yep, they're there. We'll just slide these back and lock this thing back in place. We'll be good as golden. Mine just went blank on me here. How'd those come out? Oh, is it right there? I thought it was right here. It is. There it is. So we'll turn it the right way. I need a little bit more light over here.
You're about to have it with these LEDs in there.
Alright, voila. So we're in. Now, Remy, hit the lights for us.
Hang on, man.
So obviously you can tell the major difference here from LED to the good old, just standard old headlight bulb. What do you think?
Awesome. Looks great.
So let's get this other one in.
Looks good from here.
And we'll see how this looks. Alright guys, so there they are. Both lights are in. We did just notice that we do need to do some adjusting just a little bit. We are down some on both actually. Look down. What are you thinking about it?
They look good. Wish I had them in my car.
That's right.
Yeah.
So guys, check it out. Oh man, look at the light. That's what I'm talking about.
I know. That's what I said. We'll have it here in a minute.
Look guys, if you've got an SN95, once again, it don't matter if you've got a New Edge or 94 to 98. They're all the same. Go check out AUTOONE. Got a link down in the description for you. Use our discount code. Save 15% on your purchase. And go get you a set of LED bulbs, man. Because I'm telling you, you can't go wrong. And we live in some dark road. Like,
No
it gets
street
dark.
lights.
Yeah. And we need this kind of stuff.
Turn the lights off. Watch.
Yeah.
Turn the lights off.
See, there's the high beams. Alright, kill them.
Can't see nothing.
Yeah. Well, you can see my lights there, but
No.
I can't see you.
It's dark.
Like, I don't even know where you're at.
Closest street lights blocked by a tree.
Yeah. Hit those lights again. That's low
There
beam.
we go.
We got light back on the subject.
Yeah.
So, seriously, guys, go check out AUTOONE. Oh, you can't see it that way.
Do it the other way.
Yeah, we'll do it the other way. We'll flip it around.
I'll hold it.
Go to AUTOONE. Like I said, link is in the description down below. Make sure you use that code Aftermath Garage. Save you 15% at checkout. And remember, guys, we love you. And as always,
Dream big.
why do both y'all think y'all can just say it whenever you want to?
Only I said. Only I said.
Yeah, well, I know, but every video we've done in the past couple weeks, they always steal my catch line. It's my catch line. It's not theirs. See you guys.